It's what you're doing.
It's ninjutsu. You never seen it before.
Ninja what?
Ninjutsu. It's a martial art for ninjas.
So why are you hiding your feet? You ugly? Yeah, man, I think you're listening. That because they pull up a ground and nice and handsome. You know, when I was a boy in Jamaica, you know, if I see you coming at night, I would run and tell my parents, so I say a dumpy.
Dumpy? What's a dumpy? You mean dumpling?
Dumpling, dumpy. Why? You mean your parents never tell a dumpy story? But wait, how can the parents them? Why them parents never, you know, never tell their kids dumpy story? Why I blame the parents them? Anyway, take off the mask and look your face. But kiss my neck! It's my son. You know, when I was a boy, you know, in Jamaica, my grandfather taught me Jamrati.
Jamrati? What's Jamrati?
Jamrati is Jamaican karate. You know, because Jamaica hot and everybody moves slow, my grandfather had to slow it down. He called it Jamrati. Kind of want to burn out himself. You know, when I was in the yard training, you know, I used to just jump up in a coconut tree and drink 2 jelly. And then from the mango. And then I used to chop down banana tree with bare hand.
Wait a minute, bare hand?
Yeah, bare hand. See there?
That's not bare hand, that's a human hand. I think you're lying.
I'm not lying. If you think I lie, ask me cousin Derek. Him down there.
A liar, tell man.
So you don't know nothing more. How can you let your cousin down like that? Oh, I'm not buying the drink later. You think you can keep up with the old man?
You know?
Alright, come, follow back on me. You're good. All right, move back. Let me show you Jamrati. Oh. Jamrati.
The only thing is, you look like a robot.
Robot? All right, let me show the people and so. Yeah.